everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel How to Speak in English Language, and this is me Rupa. आज मैं जो प्रॉब्लम डिस्कस करने जा रही हूँ इन दिस वीडियो, ये मोस्ट ऑफ द इंग्लिश लर्नर आर फेसिंग, बट व्हाट इज दैट? लेट मी टेल यू. Guys, you just want to speak in English language, but what is happening with you actually? You are unable to think. तो हम इंग्लिश में सोचना कैसे स्टार्ट करें, पहले ये कैसे डेवलप हो? अगर हम इंग्लिश में सोचेंगे तो ही ना बोल पाएंगे. लाइक बिफोर स्पीकिंग समथिंग वी जस्ट लाइक थिंक, देन वी स्पीक. सो कैन यू गिव मी द मैजिक थ्रू विच I can just start thinking in English language? Yes. In today's video, I am going to give you one, magic through which you just can think in English. So, what you have to do, if you have clicked this video, so before you have to just watch this video at the end. Okay, so before any further ado, let's get into the video. So what is that magical power? So don't worry, I am giving you the magical power. Where is the magical power? I will not give you magical power if you not watch this video till the end, because like suppose that you have something problem associated with health. Okay, like you went to the doctor. So if you not listen the advice of a doctor properly, if you listen like little bit and if you come to home, will you able to recover yourself? Not at all. So that is why this is the antidote that I'm going to give you. So you will have to watch this video till the end. If you have some important work, so do that, then watch. But you have to watch this video till the end. Got it? Now see, हमें इंग्लिश में थिंकिंग करना है, तो हम कैसे कर सकते हैं? तो मैं भी एक गांव से बिलोंग करती हूँ और मैं भी इस प्रॉब्लम को बहुत बार फेस कर चुकी हूँ, एंड इट वॉज very menacing problem for me, but this is our obligation to fight with our obstacle and barrier that we are getting in our life. So I did some activity. I was getting this problem and this was ghastly problem for me, so I thought I will solve it no matter what is going with me, but I will definitely gonna solve it. And I took oath to myself and I started just working on it. So I got in one idea and I got in one magical power, and that I'm going to give you. मैंने सोचा कि मैं जो भी पढ़ती हूँ, मैं जो भी पढ़ती हूँ, आफ्टर सम टाइम मैं जब शांत होती तो वो मेरे माइंड में जाता रहता है, घूमता रहता है, राइट. मैं जो भी लिसनिंग करती हूँ वो भी मेरे माइंड में जाता रहता है, राइट. मैं जो भी बोलती हूँ पहले सोचती हूँ तो ही बोलती हूँ. So if I start doing this all activity that I'm doing in my native language, if I start doing all this activity in English language, so what will gonna happen? If I start doing this all work, what will gonna happen? I will be thinking in English language, and if I think in English language, I will definitely gonna speak just like a fluent. So मैंने आज एक बुक लिया है और ये है साइंस का बुक. तो मैं कुछ बताने जा रही हूँ इसमें. सो मेक श्योर टू वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड. यहाँ पर लिखा है, यू कैन नॉट सी बिकॉज बट आई एम टेलिंग यू, sexual reproduction in plant. Okay, so I have read it. The process of reproduction in which both plant and cells are involved is known as sexual reproduction. This much is enough for me. Okay, मैंने इसे पढ़ लिया. अब मेरे माइंड में जा रहा है कि द प्रोसेस इन विच लाइक मेल एंड फीमेल आर इन्वॉल्व इज का सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन, राइट. सो मैंने इसे पढ़ा तो मेरे माइंड में कुछ तो इम्पैक्ट गया होगा, कुछ तो इम्पैक्ट गया होगा ना. तो मेरा माइंड थिंक ही करेगा कि द प्रोसेस ऑफ दिस दैट. तो मेरा माइंड थिंक कर रहा है, वही वर्ड मेरे माइंड के अंदर क्या हो रहा है, वंडरिंग कर रहे हैं, घूम रहे हैं. अब मैंने, आप ये इस वीडियो को लाइक यू आर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो, राइट. So you are watching this video in English language to improve your English. So I am speaking in English language. So whatever you are listening, it is going in your mind and it will think. Your mind will think. Your mind will be doing processing. Right now, it is taking, means you, like input is going in your mind, and after like processing output will come. Means like if you just work on it, if you start working on it, so like after processing result will come. Means you just can speak in English language. तो ये हो गया रीडिंग का इम्पैक्ट. अब आप इसे देख रहे हो तो आपके माइंड में, आप तो लिसनिंग कर रहे हो तो आपके माइंड में तो कोई भी तो इम्पैक्ट जाएगा, राइट. तो आपका माइंड भी थिंकिंग करेगा. अगर आप बोल रहे हो उसी बात को आप इंग्लिश में बोलोगे तो दूसरा व्यक्ति जो आपसे बोलेगा वो भी इंग्लिश में बोलेगा, तो कुछ ना कुछ तो इम्पैक्ट जाएगा. सो दिस इज हाउ यू जस्ट कैन improve your English, and you just can solve this problem. If you really just want to solve this problem, do this practice. Means whatever you are listening, listen in English. Whatever you are speaking, speak in English. Whatever you are doing, start doing from now onwards in English. It's okay you are from village, it's okay like no one is with you whom you can do practice. It's okay, no problem guys, but you just have to do this practice regular. If you do this practice regular, you're just gonna improve your English. Because I had this problem and I was working, but I was in self-doubt whether I will gonna improve my English or not. But I had somewhere believed that yeah, I could do. Just I had to do hard work. Just put your extra effort, believe in yourself, result will definitely come. And if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video. I will be uploading this kind of video to help you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.